To the video, and today we're gonna play revolver. Let's see this level is all about. I've never played this level before. It was made 1 month ago, updated 3 weeks ago. So let's just get right to it. Before I gotta go and practice more because this may be hard. So why not hard? Some shit, right? Look like this. Why can you not find yourself? Why can you not find yourself? You gotta do mini wave, okay? Whoa! We're gonna even have but I'm gonna stop checking and just go hard. If I can do wave! Shit! Okay, just straight fly. Just straight fly. I'm really bad at straight fly, but okay. For myself, whoa! I can for myself. I find myself really high. Woo! Spam! Oh god! Oh god! Am I even gonna beat this? Oh! What is that? For myself, whoa! I just did so many hard waves out of my play. I just skipped that one. Am I supposed to skip that? What is this part? Okay, yeah, okay. That was hard. I just skipped so many things. He's probably gonna see this and he's gonna okay. Oh, I didn't mean to remove the thing. Yes. Did it, bro. I'm gonna sell this so much. Oh god, this is gonna be just, this is just, I don't like this. Oh my god, Jesus, why? Wait, what am I doing wrong? Oh, we gotta like do this. Very hard. Wait, how am I dying? Oh, wait, you just have to dash. I can just dash, look at this. Yeah, you can just dash. But then you have to do that. Come on! No! Did I break this spot? I think it is possible, bro! Wait, what? I'm getting spamming until something happens. What am I doing wrong? Let's go all the way back. Let's see what I'm doing wrong. Am I supposed to be upside down robot? I don't think I'm supposed to be upside down robot. What? Did that break or something? I don't get it. I just keep skipping everything. You can just skip so many things, bro. This is just insane. What? I think it's spider. What? You're not hitting me. Oh! Bruh. Am I supposed to upside down or something? Oh, I did it when I died. What do you do here? I don't get it. Please. What? I just tap once. One. Wait, no. One. I just saw me with the spot one so. Oh, I did it. Checkpoint. Oh, wow, I'm stuck on the button so much. Oh, whoa, this is actually a cool level. Wait, what? Wait, what am I supposed to do? Okay. You gotta hit this trigger right here. I did it, boy. I gotta do it again. Let's go. That's what you call a bro. Oh my god. Am I even gonna beat this level in like one attempt? Bro. Wait, what? You're upside down, right? No, you're not upside down. Okay, you gotta. Oh my god. I'm gonna die so many times here. Tap, tap, tap. Oh my god. Tap, tap. Okay. I did it, check. Whoa, okay. Why is that pop so hard? Am I gonna get this movie? Probably not. Probably, maybe. I'm gonna have confidence in myself. Maybe I can. Woo! This is gonna be so hard. Hit this dumb button. I mean, hit the green orb, not the third one. I'm in second. Oh my god, that is insane. Revolver. Holy crap. Oh my god. Let's see if I can get another one. Oh, 21%, 21%. Okay. Good progress, actually. Am I going to die so many times this level? Revolver is insane. I might make a part 2 on this of being me beating Revolver. Because this is so hard. What am I gonna get a new percentage? I mean, I did 21, so. Did it. Oh my god. 30%. I forgot about that. I'm such an idiot. I forgot about the top tree fly. Let's try to get 40%. And I'm done. 40% and I'm done. Oh my god. I keep going with this like that. I got to 30%. I did like 40. I did 40. I think I made 40%, not 30%. Oh my god, that is not really okay. Oh my god, I keep taking that shit fun. I'm get to 40%, so that's it. That's literally it, 40% and I'm done. I am so done with this game. Yes! Oh my god, I forgot it again. I wonder how many attempts I'm gonna get to this level. Probably like 1,000 attempts because it's an easy demon. It's really easy. Come on, guys. It's not easy. It's hard. It's not like easy time. Wait, there's full of flipping heck. Yes! Did it. I can't die with that shit part. I don't know why. Why is it so easy to do this stuff? Did it. I don't know why. What is this? Sam Table Game? What's Sam Table Gaming doing on my screen? I was watching Soul Spa stream. And I think he's still streaming. I'm watching the full stream because I'm trying to beat this dumb revolver level. Like, do like revolver? No. No revolver. Did that pass easy for me now? Did you see how close I was to dying? Oh my god, that was close. Oh, that's stupid. Oh, why is Grace still plays on my screen now? 2 YouTubers. Sam Table and Grace still plays on my screen. And it's funny too. A princess' life was perfect until storyteller. What? Get it, holy crap, that is fun! Oh, I was literally oh, I tried to be 25%. Am I ever gonna get to 40%? I'm gonna get to 40%. Wait, what? Wait, what? 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 When I said what, I wasn't mad. I was just like, what? That's what I was doing. Not like mad. I wasn't mad, but I was just like, what? Yeah, I was like that. I was like that. Can't find yourself. Oh, get it. Why? I am just spamming it. Very hardly. I'm not spamming that hard. Hey, yo. Oh my god. I keep dying to stupid. Why can I get 40% of this? They're getting 50% though. That's impossible. Keep in mind, if I go on my temps, it's probably gonna be 1,000 by right now. Oh, I died to the stupid saw. Oh my god, I'm just a god straight fly. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. I just straight fly. Totally a god straight fly. But not that good at straight flying though. As I was saying. Did it. I'm not sick. I don't know why I did that. You know what? That's gonna be it. 37%. Yeah. Guys, if you want me to make a part 2 on this level, just like, comment, yeah. If you want me to do this level again, then how am I gonna get new percentage? Well, if you want me to try this level, then yeah, just okay. I don't know what to say at the end of the intro. Just say bye.